Hi, hello kids and adults, it's me. So, I'm waiting for the comments. If you want the trolls, keychains, it's Branch and Poppy. You know what happened, or what would happen to these trolls if the story wouldn't finish the nice way. They would be eaten by Bergens. And if you will not leave me comments what I should do in my future for videos, I will eat you like Bergens wanted to eat these trolls. But anyway, this is just for a short video because I'm running out of the batteries and I have all the issues. And I will add here from my previous video how you can use a broken umbrella, and I will update you later what happened with the umbrella in the shop and all the story, because as you know they do not want to exchange the umbrella. They will tell you it was just few euro, so go with it. But you know what, I don't think so. I will let you know. And another thing, yeah, I created the last week new creepy face invention, flooded face. So I think I will show you my flooded face. I look horrible there. I didn't want to even use it, but I think I will just use it. I don't care, you will see my funny faces, you just need to laugh. And yeah, if you do not like trolls as well, you can let me know what else you like. My friend told me she liked the cabbage doll, cabbage girl or something like this, but it's a quite of old toy and I don't have this, and it's huge, I couldn't send it. But yeah, as well, I don't know what you can like. Maybe you like a Mickey Mouse, but you know Mickey Mouse, it's so copyrighted and patented and all that I even do not know if I could show it like this in my video. Then maybe you like I don't know, maybe you like the Sea Virgin Ariel, or maybe you like Donald Duck, or maybe you like Bambi, you know, the little deer Bambi, or I don't know what you like. Lots of these characters are Disney. When I was a little child, when I was like bigger child, I really liked the Lady Lovely Lock. It was a story. It was like European Disney princesses, but they were not so slim and not so weird. They were looking like nearly humans, just they had a nice hair and all of this. But yeah, what I like the most were their horses, and you know, I still like unicorns, and as well, I like the seahorses. I like all the animal characters. So let me know what you like and let me know for videos I should do, and I will give you trolls and I will do more competitions. See you kids and adults, see you, bye. Okay kids and adults, and now have a look how you can use a broken umbrella, but perhaps in Ireland it's happening to you always, and as well as my flooded face. Okay kids and adults, so if you do not want to create too much rubbish on the landfill with a piece which you have used 2 times or 2.5 times or 1 time, or even you wouldn't use it, you know, you can use it like something else, yeah? Like you can try to protect you, like I did with the chili. Or you know what you can do, you can use it like this is a good idea. If you do not have very long hands or fingers, you could use it for scratching your back or scratching your ass or scratching some parts of your body, but you must be careful, depends how it's broken. So I don't know kids and adults, I didn't have any ideas, and now I came to so many ideas. The umbrella situation is causing me problems with my face. I have no problem with my face. You see, finally I came for this video with something funny. Holy shit, I don't want to see me. I thought I am running out of all the faces, but now I came to, I would call this maybe like a flooded face. I don't know if you can do this, kids and adults. This is a flooded face. I don't know, kids and adults, if it is right anymore, because I think I'm hungry. I need to eat something. Despite I do plenty of weird stuff, as you see. This is a floated face. Oh my god. If my family will see this, they will they will not say they are my family anymore. Kids and adults, floated face. Oh. But you know, kids and adults, actually really painful. And yeah, for real, I think I created lots of wrinkles. And maybe you can try to kind of go somehow up with this, but this umbrella, yeah, okay. I do not really recommend anyone this umbrella. Oh, you see the situation. I need some cool picture which will demonstrate exactly the situation of this situation. Oh, kids and adults, I don't even know. Is it raining on me or no? I don't even really know. Is it protecting me? Oh. That's a bad idea, you know? When you have this umbrella, you can just like quickly run. You can try to do flooded face and run. I don't know if it will help you really. Yeah, but this is the situation. Oh my god, this umbrella is really piece of job which is not working. I'm even losing my Santa voice, kids and adults, because this is not working. You know, I really like some comedy movies. Maybe we could make some serious talk about the comedy movies. If you like comedy movies like I do, maybe we just should have a talk about them. Ooh. I don't know, kids and adults, give me some good idea. Ooh. Yeah, you know what, kids and adults, I have idea. I did it with those ones. So you can try to kind of if you at least can carry all of this umbrella. I don't know anymore. I don't know, kids and adults, so I had no idea, and now I came with so many crazy ideas. Ooh. I just hope anyone's not going to close me to enter hospital. Ooh, you can try to smile as well. Ooh. I think I'm tired, kids and adults. I am deadly. Ooh. You can maybe try to carry the umbrella on your head like this. Ooh, I think I created something funny. Ooh. What do you think, kids and adults? Ooh. And I think I'm becoming now a turret from my video. Ooh. I think I'm becoming turret from my video. Ooh. Maybe I just should name this, not the hell, but how you can carry umbrella on your head. Like a new invention of the umbrella, which will anyway fall down because it's a rubbish, you see. It's a rubbish. I don't know, kids and adults, if someone will be able to ever figure out that this was umbrella. Ooh, you can do as well some modeling with the umbrella, because as you know, today everything is possible. But I wouldn't advise you to buy these shitty umbrellas, the bad umbrellas, sorry. But we need new patent for some better umbrellas than this. At least for a windy and rainy Ireland and England. And then perhaps some other parts of the world, because this is not working. I even do not have to act I'm sad, because I'm really sad. You see, this is good in these videos. I'm anti-talent for everything. But technically, I do not have to. I think comedy is really hard. Comedy is very hard. Acting style. You know, when you are crazy, it's easy. And when sometimes these crazy ideas are coming inside your brain, it's as well easy. Umbrella. This is as umbrellas can sometimes really look. New discovery. Ooh, new discovery. Okay, kids and adults, maybe I just should do something serious as well. I don't know, kids and adults, just let me know. Let me know idea for my next video, and if I will like it, then I will do it. You will get a troll. Now I need some photos with the trolls. Now back to flooding out and some pictures with them. And to dive into this, not so easy. Maybe I just should make some video where I look nice. Something like where I look like this mermaid, you know, with a nice outfit and nice hair and nice makeup. And the most important, I don't do any creepy faces. Okay, kids and adults, I think I have too much material, you know. Then it's hard to decide, and often if I do too much, then I lost everything. Smiling, smiling, smiley, smiley, smiley. Okay, kids and adults, ideas. So, I can send you these two trolls. Ooh. Okay, I think this is it. Crazy dance with two trolls. Kids and adults, if you want these trolls, send me your ideas in the comments. Send me your ideas, and I will do crazy video, and you will get the trolls. Okay, kids and adults, perhaps I need to stop because I am creating too much wrinkles for me, and I will look even older than I am. Okay, kids and adults, see you. Don't forget your ideas. See you.